Hello, good day. My name is Slogs, and today I have another Avante AS12, but with different problem. The power circuit was bad, and the outputs were not working. So, firstly, I had to work with the inputs, the primary side of the inputs. There is a Zener diode here. It's a 12-volt Zener diode. Yes, there is Zener diode here, 12-volt Zener diode. It was replaced. I replaced this driver, this PMW driver, and there's a resistor here that was replaced. It was bad, and I replaced the diode. The diode was bad, one to both channel, both side, and the resistor 47 ohms. I replaced the FET. Those were the things that didn't make the power to come on. But I noticed that if there is a charged voltage in the circuit before you plug this driver, the driver will go bad. So always discharge your capacitors before you put the driver. And for ease, I had to put a socket, IC socket in it for ease of replacement, so that will not be desoldering and soldering. And after I'm done with that, the dust comes up, and but the woofer wasn't sounding, and there's an indicator here that it was supposed to come on that wasn't coming on, but the LED screen here was coming on. So I had to trace, and I found out that there is a Zener here. There's a Zener diode here that was bad. It is a 14 volts 1 amps Zener diode. That's 6M. So I replaced it. I couldn't find the 14M, but I think I found something close. This is a 12 volts 1 watt Zener diode, and I tried my luck, and voila, it's back to life. It's like there is more problem, because now this one is blank. It doesn't comes on. I have to check that, but if I have to remove this and plug again, I think it will work. Hey, it wants to shut down my distance. No, you must not shut down. You must not shut down my board. I can't afford that. I can't. I will check. I'm going to check why it's doing like that. But the board is actually working, but I don't know why this one is flicking. It's not coming up. It's not coming up. It's like the power is not enough. My guess. That's my guess. Sorry, I don't have a stand to put my phone on. There's nobody here to help me. You can see when I removed and I plugged again, it comes on well, but that was because I removed the speakers connected to it. But now it's working. Yeah, I think the woofer is working. I can't test for long, so I have to couple it and put it on the heatsink before I can test very well. But I must check why this LED screen is not popping up very well, why it's not coming up well. I think there is some circuit jump. There might be some little things that are shorted in the circuit. Thank you. In case you have something of this nature, you can try to follow my steps. Sorry, my videos are amateur videos, but it can sure guide you through any repair you might have concerning this AS12. Thank you.